Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kel. We're back again with another one. So last time we did suspension. Today we got something nice coming in. We got a nice little lovely surprise. This is gonna go bye-bye. This is what we're working with. We're working with some meat. You see that? It's some meat. Oh my god. You bitches. Ooh. Ooh, so good. Hopefully I ain't gotta run spacers, but just we're gonna go ahead and show y'all some fitment though, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get the car looking right. Got some drift spares, so you know it's a lot more content coming soon. We about to get 2021 popping real good, you feel me, boy? Oh, by the way, Rico here today. He helping out again. Yeah. Rico here is helping out again. And as y'all seen on my last video, if you ever decide to do coils on your goddamn Z, take out your sway bar end link first in the front before anything. Because if not, you're gonna strip your shit. You gonna have to get a new one. So it happened to me, but go ahead, slap these hoes on right quick. Gotta peel this bad boy off. Nah, fuck that. I ain't doing. I like function over anything. You could use that to tape that shit shut.
That shit's so fucking annoying. You hear that shit down the road too.
So here we go. We got these bad boys, 18 by 10.5 all the way around, 22 offset, and we got a lovely 255/35 18 on this bad boy. We're gonna go ahead and take these shits off right quick. And look, your boy got some power tools, you feel me? Milwaukee sponsored me. I need some more tools. Shit. Here, you hold this right quick, bro. Hey, don't get out of the way. You can stand on this side. Always gotta invest in tools. Best goddamn thing you could buy. Cause when shit get tough, an electric tool will help you out more than your goddamn hands will. I could be a test to that. Unless you can't get to that spot, an electric tool is gonna be better than any goddamn thing you could use. Oh, that bit in there good. That bit. Good. And also, guys, if you ever order tires already on your wheels and they're directional, look at this little arrow. That looks like a little tail. That looks like the tip. That tell you which way to go. And also, if you look at the thread, common sense to kind of tell you which way it should go. But you don't ever want to line your shit up opposite, because hit a pothole or hit some water, yeah, it's gonna slide. Let's see how these look on here though. I hope I don't have to lower the car any, well, raise the car any. Yo, I'm gonna need a space here.
It's hitting.
It's rotating perfectly fine, but it's not hitting, but it's like millimeters.
Hey. If it fit, it fit.
Feel this. Tell me what you think. It's like millimeters from the control arm. It rolls perfectly fine. My rim ain't rubbing on the control arm. Might have to get.
Is it touching anything?
Nah.
So I know once you drop it down, it might.
Oh, well, we're gonna see.
This shit. Oh wow. Yeah, you is pretty close to this shit. I mean,
it's millimeters.
Well, you might be good. You might be. All you gotta do is just lower that bitch and check.
I need to zip tie all this shit together too. Or get a fender liner. Yeah, I'm gonna buy fender liner next. I gotta lower this side to see if this shit even fits.
Or you trying to go take pictures of that? I need to clean my car.
I don't know, honestly. Let's see how this looks. Oh, I need to tighten this and then turn the wheel and see if it's biting anything. I know I won't be able to see if it's biting the fender or not. Might have to raise it a little bit. That'll make it fit. If I raise it a tad?
Yeah. I will see first.
I mean, I'm not saying I'm about to raise it first. And by the way, if anybody's wondering, for my coils I did 2.5 inch gap in between the coil and the strut, in the fronts and also on the backs, just to keep shit simple. It's low, it scrapes on some speed bumps, but it could go lower, but you gotta get other shit to do that, like camber arms and control arms and all that extra shit. I'll buy that stuff once I get serious about drifting.
So you did your first little scrape?
Oh, first? Man, ever since I put these coils on, I've probably scraped on speed bumps like 5-6 times. And the ones in this neighborhood is not nice. Like, they're nice, they're not too big, they're not sharp big.
Just wait till you hit my neighborhood.
Oh yeah, I can't go in your neighborhood. I'd have to park my car in the front and walk to your house.
I'll be having a fit.
A little ugga dugga, all you need, you know what I'm saying? Yo, that bit, I'm probably gonna hit my fucking controller. Probably need smaller tires in the front.
Hey, boy, if you go any lower than that, boy, you going rubber band, man. Yeah, damn. I mean, because even if you go smaller tires, your rim still might hit it. Because they still 10.5 on it. Or you might clear it by just a little bit. It depends on how low it's gonna sit.
I mean, if I cleared enough, I don't give a fuck.
Right.
Oh yeah.
But damn, she looked good. I took her to my house and she was fine, but she whooped out a dick that was bigger than mine. I met this lady from Japan. Met up with an African. I fucked her once. I fucked her twice. I ate that pussy like shrimp from right. Stories I tell you. A woman in the heart of Washington.